Okay. If a multiple choice test consists of 5 questions, each with 4 possible answers, of which one is correct, in how many ways can a student check off one answer this question and get all the answers wrong? So kung isa yung tama, tatlo ang mali. Here we look at physical counting. We have for the first question 3 are wrong. 5 yan. So 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 is 3 raised to 5. And answer is of course 243. And for problem number 59, so ang sasagutin nyo dito, medyo defective yung problem is what? In how many ways can you arrange 10 people in 5 seats around a circular table? Okay, dito, i-apply natin yung formula. Yung kwento ng circular permutation. We have N PR over R. Ito yung kwento. Okay, here, our N is 10. Permutation 5 over 5. The answer is 6,048 ways. Now, for problem number 60, Dan, Will, and Charles are in a gambling game. Dan and Will have the same probability of winning, and each is twice as likely to win as Charles. So, manong silang dalawa kay Charles. Find the probability that Will or Charles wins, assuming that this game has only one winner. So here, if we let P of Charles be equal to probability of Charles is X, then the probability of the other two, the probability of Dan is 2x based on the word twice, and then probability of Will is also 2x. Here we are asked to find the probability that Will, if this is independent event, or Charles wins. So we have P pag or siya, and this is plus. Okay, so the sum of these three probabilities, P of C plus P of D plus P of W is must be equal to 1. X plus 2x plus 2x is 1, or x is 1 over 5. So this is 1 over 5, this is 2 over 5, this is also 2 over 5. P of W or Will is 2 over 5 plus 1 over 5. This is 3 over 5. Okay, now for problem number 61, there are 10 students in a class in which 3 are left-handed. So 3 left-handed, so meaning among 10, 7 are right-handed. If the two girls are chosen at random, determine the way that neither are left-handed. So P here is what? Now you say neither are left-handed. Hindi sila left-handed, right-handed siya. So 7 combination 2 divided by 10 combination 2. And the answer is 7 over 15. For problem number 62, in a certain room, there are 6 women and uh, 10 men. The question is, Determinability that at least one man is selected if a committee is chosen at random. So, at least one meaning P is 10 combination 1. Pwedeng isa yung man. At tatlong buwan siya is 6 combination 2. Pwedeng dalawa yung lalaki. 10 combination 2. At syempre, isa na lang yung babae. And then, 10 combination 3. At wala na yung babae. All over this 6 plus 10 is 16 combination 3. Okay, so here our P is equal to 27 over 28. Number 63. In a room of 120 students, 60 are studying mathematics, 50 are studying biology, and 20 are studying mathematics and biology. The students chosen at random randomly. Students studying mathematics and biology. So here we will use Venn diagram for us to solve problem easily. Okay. May isang dadalang po estudyante ay na po daw ang nag-aaral ng mathematics, 5 po ang biology, at 2 po ang nag-aaral ng mathematics same time biology. Sorry, 20 mathematics is 60, so 40 na lang ito. Biology is 50 minus 20 is 30 na lang ito. So P na mathematics or biology is P of math plus P of biology minus P of math and biology. P of math is 60 over 120 sa lahat. Biology is 50 over 120 minus 20 over 120. And the answer is 3 over 4. Now, for number 64, in a certain 40% people have blonde hair. So again, we use the diagram here. Yung dito yung blonde hair, CBH, and blue eyes. Sinabi sa problem, 15% both blonde hair and blue eyes. Sorry, 15%. While 40% are blonde hair. So, 10 minus 50 is 25. Yung blue eyes is 25 minus this is 10. Probability that the student person is given that he blue eyes, so P blue eyes even that is blonde hair. Yeah, this is condition for breathing with P, E, N, BH. So, over ko na nasa sa kanan siyang denominator. Okay? So, ito yung ating intersection. 15 divided by blonde hair is 40. So, this is 3 over 65. The probability of failing hits a target is 1/4. PW is 1/4. And the way that Louis hit sa target is 1/3. So PL is 1/3. If each one fires twice, what is the probability that the target will be hit at least once? So dito gagamitin natin yung principle ng at least one. So P at least one o once. At least one hit the targets. So kukuha natin ang complement ng PW. Sala is 3/4. Sala KL is 2/3. At least 1 is 1. Ganyan ha. Basta at least 1 minus Sala. Twice silang titira. So tumira si Will, Sala. Unang tira. Padalawang tira. Sala ulit. Kay Louie naman ay Sala ay 2/3. Padalawang tira ay 2/3 also. So here we'll get 3/4. Okay, now for problem number 66, probability ng red is 1/5. Ito common sense at dali. Probability ng white ay 2/5. Okay. What's the probability that it will be blue, yellow, or green? So, simple. Limang bola ito ng kaibang kulay, red, white, blue, yellow, and green. So, probability na blue or yellow or green, EDRA 3/5 na. EDRA 1 minus 1/5 plus 2/5 is of course 2/5. For number 67, the probability of man hitting a target P hit is 1/3. How many times must he fire so the probability of hitting the target at least once is more than 90%? So again, we'll use principle of at least one. So we have P complement of this is 2/3. We have P is more than 90%. Okay, P equals 1 minus N, the record is N, Sala, and then 1/3 raised to 0, and then 2/3 raised to N minus 0 is N. With 1 minus N, C0 is 1, 1/3 raised to 0 is 1, is 2/3 raised to N is our P. Okay, using function table, just put this in the calculator. 1 minus f of x is 1 minus 2/3 raised to x. Okay, node 7, 1 minus 2 2/3 raised to, and then plus equals, step 1, start at 1, and at, let's say, 7. Nasa titin yung choices. Hanapin yung maximum sa choices, yun dun yung end. So, step 1. So, in the table, ano mo dito ang 90%? Yun, 91. When x is equal to 6, you'll get P is 91.22%. This satisfies the condition, the problem. So the answer is of course 6. For problem number 68, here we will use binomial distribution formula. Okay, with P is 0.25, Q is of course 0.75. We are asked to solve for the probability that at most 6 of the calls involve a fax message. So P at most 6 is equal to, we have 25. Okay, we have sigma 25 Cx 0.25 raised to x, and then 0.75 raised to 25 minus x. In x is 0 and 6. So here the answer is 0.5611. Now, for problem number 69, here we will use Poisson distribution formula. We have P of x equals mu raised to x e raised to negative mu. In this problem, our mu is 1 per 1 accident per 50 miles. So, ang hinahanap ay for 20 miles. So, we have 20 times 20. This is 0.4. We are asked to probability that at least one accident. Again, principle of at least one. Yun lang. Malakak na naman. 1 minus P in x is 0. So, 1 minus P, we have mu, it's 0.4, x is 0. Here is negative 0.4 over 0 factorial. And the answer is 0.33. Now, for problem number 70, okay, dito gagamitin natin yung ating normal distribution curve. Given here is our mean. We have 51,000. And then standard deviation of 6,000. So this is 51,000. Probability is between 42,000. Another one is 65,000. Between the two, ito yan. So relic 2, 1, this is Q2. So P equals Q1 plus Q2. We need to get Z score 1. We have X is 42 minus X bar is 51. 1000 over 6000. Just store A. Z2 is 65,000 minus 51,000 over 61,000, and then store B. We have Q store A plus Q store B, and the answer is 0.923. Okay, for problem number 71, again we will use normal distribution curve. Here our mean is 58, x bar is 58, our standard deviation is 10, this is 36. So here gagamitin si P. Okay, so P, say equals, so we need Z score is X is 36 minus 58 divide 10 is negative 2.2. So P when Z is negative 2.2, and then to get the number of calculators, since this is 1 million calculators per year, so we here 1 million times P of negative 2.2. The answer is 13,093 calculators. Okay, for problem number 72, we are asked to find the equation of the plane passing through point P, whose coordinates are 4, 3, 6, and perpendicular to the line joining P, and Q coordinates are 2, 3, 1. So si perpendicular, ito yun. Okay, so here we have A, B, C. So the equation of this plane is given by this AX plus BY plus ZZ plus D equals 0. Laging ganun yan. Now, ano yung A, ano yung B, ano yung C? You know, if we're going to get the vector from P to Q, you'll get A, B, and C. So here, vector from P to Q is equal to what? 2 minus 4 is negative 2, then 0, and then this negative 5. So this implies that A is negative 2, B is 0, and C is negative 5. So this can be replaced by negative 2, B is 0, cancel na yan, minus 5 plus D equals 0. 5Z. And then to solve for D, since this plane is passing through this point, so when X is equal to 4, Y is 3, Z is 6. I have negative 2 times 4 is negative 8 minus 5 times 6 plus d equals 0. So, negative 8 minus negative 38. Therefore, d is positive 38. So, we have negative 2x minus 5z plus 38 equals 0. Multiply both sides by negative 1 or 2x plus 5z minus 38 equals 0. And this will be our final result. Now, pwede ito yung backward solution. Let's apply principle of passing through. When x is 2, y is 3, z 6. Given siya sa problem. And then, anong gagawin nyo? Okay, substitute mo lang sa choices. Pag na-satisfy yung choices, automatically yung sagot. May pagkakataon nga lang na dalawa yung satisfy. Just better to use the solution. Dali naman. Now, kung sabi number 72, 73, find the equation of the plane passing through 1, 2, negative 1, and parallel to the plane 2x minus 3y plus 4z plus 6 equals 0. So, kapag ka yun ay parallel, automatically, yung coefficient ng x, y, in say, nung rectangular plane ay katulad nito. So, we have here 2x minus 3y plus 4z. Magkakaiba lang yan sa d. Okay, since this plane is passing through this, so we have when x is 1, y is 2, and z is equal to negative 1. We have 2 times 1 minus 3 times 2 plus 4 times negative 1 plus d is 0. So 2 minus 6 is negative 4 minus 4 plus d is 0. Therefore, d is equal to 8. When d is equal to 8, we have 2x minus 3y plus 4z plus 8 equals 0. So this is our final answer. Okay, for number 74, again, you can use principle of passing through here. Find the equation of the plane that contains these 3 points. So the best thing to do here is, of course, principle of passing through. Just use the coordinates of P and Q. P, Q, and R to the given. So, mas maganda sabihin natin ito. Okay, there are 2 ways of solving this. Our plane contains three points. The point P, 1, negative 2, 4. Point Q is 4, 1, 7. And point R is negative 1, 5, 1. Use intercept form of plane, that is x over a plus y over b plus z over c is 1. The more compact form here is px plus qy plus r z is 1. Okay, and x is 1, y is negative 2, z is equal to 4. So here p minus 2 q plus 4 r equals 1, equation 1. For this one, for P plus Q plus 7R ay equals sa 1. Equation 2, we have negative P plus 5Q plus R is equal to 1. So, the equation 3 unknown is equal for P, Q, and of course R. After solving this, salpak mo dito and then simplify, you'll get letter B as your answer. Find the equation is pertangent to the plane 6x plus 6y minus 7z equals 22. Center of the sphere is at the origin. Okay, so here when the center of the sphere is at the origin, you have x squared plus y squared plus c squared equals r squared. So you see this is our plane, this is our sphere. Its origin 0, 0, 0. It's our r. Okay, distance of point of plane is plane. So r equals 6 times 0 plus 6 times 0 minus 7 times 0 minus 22 all over the square root of 6 squared plus 6 squared plus 7 squared. Absolute, we have here is 2. So when r is 2, we have x squared plus y squared plus 2 squared plus 2 squared is 4. Now, ang problem number 76. Let vector A is negative 1, 2, 8. Vector B is 3, negative 4, 7. Vector C is 9, negative 2, 5. For our volume, simply A plus B plus C. It's absolute. Isa kasi negative yan. Yung mga formula. We'll find C. My back view is letter C, 300. Just verify. So number 77. Okay.
Yes? Where did you get that? 2 kilo pandala ko, pinadala ko ng papa.
Given vector A is 1, 1, negative 1. B is 2, negative 1, 1. Vector C is n, negative 1, 8. When 3 vectors are lying on the same plane that is coplanar, then that vectors are coplanar. So for coplanar vectors, we need A cross B, that's C, is equal to 0. So we have 1, 1, negative 1, cross 2, negative 1, 1, and then that C, our C is n, negative 1, n, and then equal to 0. Okay, cross product nito, and then after cross product, get product nito, we'll find n equals 1. Okay? For number 78, a force of 4,000 kilonewtons is passing from 1 to 7, A1 to 7, 7 to B is negative 2 to 5. Find the components of vector. So here we need to find first vector AB. Okay. Tail minus head. So negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. And then 5 minus 7 is negative 2. Okay, we need to find the unit vector here. So AB over magnitude of AB is negative 3 over square root of 14. 1 over square root of 14 and negative 2 over square root of 14. Okay, to the component of our force net is what? Just multiply this by 4,000. So 4,000 times negative 3 over square root of 14 is negative 3 to 0, 7 or 13. And then this times 4,000 is 4,000 kilonewtons. We have 1069.045 and then negative 2138509. Okay. Now for problem number 79, given your A, vector A is m negative 2, 1, vector B is 2m and negative 4. Okay, ang sinabi dito, these two vectors are perpendicular. You know, when two vectors are perpendicular, then that product is always equal to 0. So A dot P is 0. 1 times 2m is 2m squared minus 2m. And then minus 4 is 0. Here, our m is 1 and negative 2. Nasa source is 1. Okay? And for problem number 80, you have to solve for 4.5 factorial. Capital error. This is 4.5 times 3.5 times 2.5 times 1.5 times 0.1 times square root of 5. 4.5 times 3.5 times 2.5 times 1.5 times 0.5 times square root of 5. Is 52 Number 81, we use this formula P equals KO minus TS T raised to KT plus TS. Here our initial temperature is 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Surrounding temperature is 150. Here is to KT plus 150. It's negative 100. Here is to KT plus 150. We need to find the value of K. How? Use the condition problem. And the time is 10 minutes. Temperature is 75 degrees Fahrenheit. So 75 is negative 100 e raised to 10k plus 150. K makuha mo is to A. 10t is negative 150 e raised to 80. So, takmo doon yung A plus 150. He has to find the time to reach the temperature of 100 degrees Fahrenheit. So degrees by 100, can find T. T is 23.9 minutes. Now, for 82, here we will use this formula. P equals P o P raised to KT. Basta makakita mo yung right proportional, yan agad dyan. When T is 1 hour, P is double, so 2 P's of O. So we have 2 P's of O equals P or P raised to K times 1. Cancel this. For K is ln2. So when T, we have K equals P o P raised to ln2 times T. And when T is 2.75, replace this by 2.75. P is P or P raised to 2.75 ln2. $6.73. 6.73 is a block. So this is place that is 6.70 times the original. Okay? So from number 83, given that is y prime plus y cotangent x to 1. So here we will use this formula, a to the integral of p of x dx equals 1, q of x e to the integral of p of x dx plus c. Our p of x here is cotangent x, q of x is 1. A to the integral of p of x dx is 1. A to the integral of cotangent x. This is here is to ln sin x. This is of course sin x. We have y sin x integral of q of x is 1 times the derivative factor sin x dx plus c. Integral of sin is negative cosine x plus c 1 sin x. Okay, divide both sides by sin x. Multiply both sides by 1 over sin x. Y equals, sama natin ang negative, cosine x over sin x is cotangent x plus c 1 over sin x or secant x. Okay, since we have only one constant, you can use calculus technique. Okay, ang gagawin din it's as a choices. So make this, see how function x, y, see alone. So we have y minus cotangent x over cosecant x equal c alone. Okay, so for A, both region, dx dito, y minus cotangent x over cosecant x, and x is say 1, y is 2. Para mo ko si d dx, okay, replace y by x minus cotangent y over cosecant y, palit x is equal to 2, this y is equal to 1, so it's 1, kasi nakamultiply dyan, para i-store a, this one i-store b. Okay, ano pa ang given natin? Given natin ang y prime. Y prime kung given is 1 minus y cotangent x, when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. And then this equation should be satisfied for you to know the correct answer. Okay, uunahin mo natin y prime and then ito yung English, mga galing sa choices. Dapat sa limang equal. Okay, now on number 84, the body moves as such acceleration is given by a plus 12t. Okay, if the body starts from rest, acceleration after 1 second is 2 meters. What is the distance traveled after 4 seconds? So here we know that a is equal to dv dt, and dv dt equal to a dt. V is integral of a dt. Okay, our a is equal to 2 plus 12t. Integral of 2 plus 12t dt. We have 2t plus 6t squared plus c is our v. Okay. Okay, when the body starts from rest and this velocity after 1 second, T is 0, C1 is 0. When T is equal to 1, B is what? 2. So 2 is equal to 2 plus 6 is 8 plus C. For C is negative 6. For D is 2t plus 6t squared minus 6. Okay, and we know that B is equal to B is dt, and ds is equal to B dt. We can integrate this is integral of b dt. b is 2t plus 60 squared minus 6. Problem 84, given here is A equals 2 plus 12t. T in seconds and A in meter per second squared. If the body starts from rest and is below T after 1 second is 2 meters, what is the distance traveled after 4 seconds? So B is integral of A dt. The integral of A is 2 plus 12t dt. So we have 2t plus 6t squared plus c1 is our b. And we know that s equals integral of b dt. We have s equals integral of 2t plus 6t squared plus c1. And then dt. So this is t squared plus 2t cubed plus c1t plus c2 is our s. Getting c1 c2 when t is equal to 1 second, b is it's 2. So we have 2 equals 2 plus 6 plus c1, therefore c is negative 6 of c1. And then when t is 0, so here c2 is s is equals 0, c2 is 0. Okay, so s equals t squared plus 2t cubed. We know that c1 is 6 and negative 6t plus 0. And then when t is 4 seconds, s is 120 meters. Okay. Problem number 85. Find the values for commutative curves y squared equals cx. Limit first a constant 2y prime is equal to c. Divide this. We have y squared over y is y over 2y prime equals, we can cancel this x. So here 2xy prime equals y. For all condition, always replace y prime by negative dx dy. So we have 2x times negative dx dy is equal to y. This is separation of variables. We have negative 2x dx equals y dy. We have x squared, integrate. So 2y squared over 2 plus c. It's negative. Multiply both sides by 2, we have negative 2x squared equals y squared plus c, or 2x squared plus y squared equals c. Letter A.